If you travel the interstates between the Atlantic coast all the way west to the Pacific coast, you'll miss the grandeur and good times of the Gulf Coast, America's third coast. Although historically, it's America's second coast, but I'm not arguing history right now. I will argue that the Gulf Coast is a special place, filled with natural beauty, outdoor adventure, and the best fishing in the country.
Seriously, just 12 pounds? There's something wrong with this scale.
Don't even try to argue with me on this point. Every fall along the Mississippi coast, the soft sounds of waves breaking along beaches make way for the roar of over 8,000 classic cars. Seagull calls make way for old-time rock and roll. And a drive along a historic highway can take you to America's biggest block party. Welcome to Cruisin the Coast.
It's a lot of fun for a lot of people, I can tell you that. It is a car show, a car event that happens on the Mississippi Gulf Coast during the early part of October. We've been doing this since 1996. It's our 23rd year. We have cars from all over the country. Last year, registered at Cruisin the Coast, we had 8,444 from 44 states and 3 foreign countries. So people from all over come down to the Mississippi Gulf Coast and enjoy this event.
Now you guys live where?
Jacksonville, Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida, and you drive?
We drive to Mississippi, we drive it all around town, all the venues, and then we drive home. I do all the driving.
You do all the driving? He just cleans? He cleans? He's doing a good job of cleaning.
You missed the spot.
Sure. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. You guys from Illinois?
Yes, we are.
Drove down for this?
Yep.
Why?
We've been here, what?
We've been coming 28 years to Biloxi and for about 12 for Cruisin the Coast.
Love it down here.
What started as a local car show with 374 vehicles back in 1996 now has thousands of antique and custom cars, along with hot rods and rat rods, all converging on this 40-mile stretch of beachfront property. With its increase in popularity, the event has garnered some national kudos.
Being voted by USA Today as the #1 car show in the country, you know, that's a pretty major honor for our little state of Mississippi to have that kind of honor.
Having Cruisin the Coast in coastal Mississippi, it's perfect. You know, we're talking about close to 9,000 cars. With the people that is coming, we're talking about 100,000 visitors in a week for us, and probably $30 million in economic impact. And that's the best way to start the fall and winter season for us here in coastal Mississippi.
It's also the best way for these owners to get in one last cruise before they garage these beauties for the winter. This car show rolls. It's part poker run, part Mardi Gras parade.
A lot of car shows, you just go and sit in a field somewhere, or sit in some big fairground area. Like I say, you travel up and down this Gulf Coast, up and down Highway 90.
Having people driving those beautiful cars along our US 90, which is one of the most beautiful roads in the southern part of the US, enjoying the beach, enjoying the weather, it's something that people need to come and see it and experience it.
When you're riding down a highway on the coast and people are just taking pictures and waving and putting thumbs up, and you just feel so proud that you brought something back that was way long ago. I mean, it's a 60-year-old automobile. You know, I mean, it's phenomenal to see how many people have revamped these old cars.
But that's what a lot of the high-end car builders love about this show. They bring their $1 million plus cars down here and they can cruise around and have fun. And that's what's really different about Cruisin the Coast is you use your car.
So what does it feel like driving a 1928 Studebaker that looks like this down Highway 90 during Cruisin the Coast?
It does not suck.
For Garage Squad's Christy Lee, the trip to the coast has become a fall ritual. You've been here how many times before?
This is my 4th year here at Cruisin the Coast.
Fourth year.
Yep.
What makes Cruisin the Coast special to you?
Well, the people. That's the best part about cruising. You know, I mean, besides this beautiful weather that we're experiencing.
Kind of nice to have this in October, right?
It's a little bit nice. You know, I'm originally a native Floridian, so I grew up in Central Florida, Daytona Beach area, and now I live in Detroit, Michigan, the Motor City. You know, it's kind of a far draw with weather there. It's a little bit different.
It's snowing in Detroit right
It's
now.
not snowing yet. Slow down, slow down. And don't say that four-letter word to Michiganders yet, okay? We're not ready. It's October.
Snow.
But this weather here and the whole Gulf Coast vibe, it's got that southern charm, and you know, the people love this event and they love seeing us year after year with this, and they kind of, you know, expect, I think, to see me now at Cruisin the Coast. It's kind of like I'm part of the family.
Like a block party, family is what brings this event together. And like a family, Cruisin was there when the coast needed them the most. The Gulf Coast of Mississippi suffered near total devastation from Hurricane Katrina in 2005.
Highway 90, our main highway here, was just totally in shambles. Where we're standing right now, there's probably somewhere 18 feet of water or so in this area during Katrina.
Some doubted the future of the area, but not Cruisin the Coast, and not the car community that came back in droves 1 year later.
I had so many people come up to me, people that work in the hotels, people that work in restaurants, thanking us for getting Cruisin the Coast back going because it means so much to them. And so when people come out from all over the country to help support this event after that catastrophic event that we had, it's you know, it was a great feeling.
That great feeling has only grown every year since.